In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add read more text on your Wix website. This is a simple way to keep your pages clean and scannable while still giving visitors access to the full details when they want them. It's perfect for long descriptions, FAQs, bios, or any content that runs a bit long and might overwhelm the page. Start by adding a text element to your page. In the Wix editor, open the Add panel and choose a text option that fits your design, like a paragraph or rich text. Click to place it on your page, then type or paste in your long content. Make sure you have enough visible text to provide context, but not so much that it feels cluttered. A short intro or the first few sentences usually works best. Next, highlight the portion you want to hide. Leave your opening lines visible so readers understand what the section is about. With the text highlighted, look at the text toolbar. If you see a button labeled Show More or Read More, click it. Depending on your editor version, you might instead find this under Add Interaction, then choose Expand Collapse. Both options create the same effect. The selected section becomes collapsible. Wix will automatically collapse the extra text and insert a read more link to reveal it. In the editor, you'll notice the hidden section is marked so you can see what's collapsed. On the live site, visitors will see the shorter snippet with a link. When they click it, the rest of the content expands smoothly. Clicking again collapses it back, keeping the page tidy. Now customize the details to match your brand. Click the link text to edit its label. You can use read more, show more, or another short phrase that matches your voice. When the content is expanded, you can also adjust what the link says, such as show less, to make it clear that it will collapse the text again. Then fine-tune the animation. Choose how the expand and collapse behave and adjust the speed so it feels smooth and natural. A subtle, quick animation usually creates a polished experience without distracting from your content. Before you wrap up, scan the section for readability. Keep the visible intro concise, make sure the link stands out and is easy to tap on mobile, and use clear language so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. And that's it. Add your text, highlight what you want hidden, apply the show more or read more interaction, and customize the link and animation to fit your style.